Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And check my audio. Is it clear, right, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ramon, can I
Yes.
ask you something
Yes,
about
sir.
Jasmine?
Jasmine. Yes.
Yeah, because yesterday it was a very big um, inside bar candle,
Mm-hmm.
and and it went first down, but it didn't sweep the candle.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that in the 5 minutes, and now it's up to a poi. Uh,
Yes.
can we take a short when it sweep the candle there to sweep the
Yes. You can
inside
take
bar
it,
candle
sir.
down?
You can take it. I'm sorry. You can take it, but even you have one more chance. So if you miss the trade here now, you don't take the trade. Just wait to close candle below this. Okay, sir.
Yeah, but should we wait to sweep it the
Mm.
candle on the top first or not?
No, sir. Sometimes you don't do that.
Okay.
But yeah, if it see, assume that if it coming here, if I see any candle, I'll just take the trade. Once if the stop
Okay.
loss hit when it comes back, once again I'll enter.
Yeah, okay, because I didn't
Yeah.
enter that because I wait for the sweep of the candle, but then okay.
Yeah, if it does that, you can enter here. And one more thing, if it directly market goes below this, just wait for retracement, sir. From order block, you can cash this trade.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
Yes, sir.
perfect. Thank you
Yeah.
very much.
No, no problem, sir. And sir HM, are you here?
Yes, sir, of course. Always.
Okay. Good.
Yes. I actually wanted to ask you about this one.
So you just directly told me to check 5 minute, 1 minute on yesterday, but you missed
Yeah.
in the 5 minutes there. So on the 5 minutes,
Yes.
sir. So this is so this area will be the obviously it will be the strong. See, when the market will break some level, correct?
Yeah.
So market will take this retest and it will go up, sir. Yesterday, this was that
Yes.
area, sir, where we was talking about this on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
Correct. This I told you. I didn't see this. I just said you that sir, this market should be this level should break. Then it will continue
Yes.
for the but if I see this on the 5 minutes, I was telling you, sir, you should try the long position from here, not short.
Oh,
So this
because I wanted to ask you,
Hmm.
I saw this happen, and that's a London high.
Hmm.
And because I saw this, and I was again with in 1 minute,
Hmm.
and I got like a very small, like 0.3% stop loss. I was like, well, this is a risk that I can definitely try and take. But I was
Okay.
thinking that was that actually incorrect to do?
No. Oh, how did you take the trade on 1 minute? Let me check.
Yeah.
Here, right? This. No, here.
Yeah.
This place.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can take it on the small 1 minute. Nothing is problem, sir. Right? Small stop loss, right? Okay, I think you saw
Yeah.
this shooting star and you just entered.
Yeah.
And even you have the two-bar reversal.
Cuba. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I was very happy when I saw that. I was like, okay, this is a good one.
Yeah.
But I thought that maybe it was a risky one to take because, as you said, there was that breaker block below where it took support and where
This
it
one.
went.
This will be
Yeah.
invalid, sir. So
Okay.
this will be invalid once so it took support and went right. Now this will be invalid. That is the what
Yeah.
it will make confused if we keep in that chart. So just now we need breakout. Once we get breakout here, retest done.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I was thinking that because after the London high sweep, or whatever high sweep there was, that it didn't really go through, like there was no wave on top of that. It just stopped there. So I was thinking that it might be a good try for a short, but maybe a risky one. I don't know.
No, sir. For intraday, that is a good trade setup, sir.
Okay.
Yes. That is good trade setup. Yeah, you can. On the 1 minute, you can place a 5 minutes, 1 minutes. Only problem with the 1 hour, 15 minutes when we use big stop loss. The small stop loss must take any effort. Just take which candle you see. That is what I want, sir. We should take the trade from the top and the bottom, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Correct. It was right. If you're trying the trade
What
from
do
here, yeah.
What do you think about the setup? Because now I'm scanning for a long. I know that in 1 hour you didn't really get too much volume. There is a nice candle though, but I don't know if the volume is enough for this to be an actual reversal. In 5 minutes, or I don't know, like if you look at this one, there's a very nice candle, but the
Yes.
volume is low. So I'm kind of still thinking that it might go through.
Dragonfly Doji candle. Yes.
Yeah.
So what you can do now? 1 second. Maybe
Because
on
this
H-
looks like
maybe on
Oh.
H4 bullish flag.
yes, it's there.
Yeah, it's bullish flag. So what you can do now, sir? So the market is building the liquidity, right? So you can try your long positions from this area, sir.
Okay.
This area.
I think
So let it come to this place. Just go to the 1 minute or 5 minutes. You can find the trade here because you can see here the market is ranging. If the market wants to
yes.
fly up first, then they'll drop. So this is
And I think
possible. Yeah.
if you go to 5 minutes, I think that there's what I'm seeing is that you have the potential liquidity. That's a break. Yeah, this area is important, and you have
Correct.
liquidity in here.
Yes.
So I'm kind of scanning for long, and it's failing to break this. Like it's building liquidity there, I guess.
Yes, sir. Let me check on the 15 minutes, the same area, sir. So just take this full candle, sir. The candles are very small. Just take this full one. Let this sweep this. You can try from here.
Amazing. I had exactly the same drawing. I have finally learned.
So we have here, maybe we can come till here, but yeah, you just
Okay.
keep on. If the candle even the close below this, just wait for the re-enter, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
We have fair value gap here. Let's see, maybe hardly we can come till here.
Yeah.
So before that, they'll show some two green candles and they'll drop. We should be very careful. They'll show some beautiful green candle, immediately they'll drop. So then we will get confirmed. For example, on the gold here. So how they'll show here, you just see, they'll show the green candles, then they'll start coming down. So they'll show green candles, then they'll drop. Finally, we got the order block here at this place. And from here, FOMO traders will enter because of the neckline, but I will not take these kind of trades. So when it goes, it sweep this liquidity, bearish engulf, entry, stop loss, target.
Yeah.
Yeah, target this because of the 1 hour. So candle close below this with the low volume. Let's wait for the. Yeah, the volume is low. Let's see. Still, we have 47 minutes to close. Then, if the candle close in this way, then I'll wait for retest here or some order block at this place. From here, I'll enter. My target will be this.
Nice.
And the problem is here on the 4 hours, it's reverse head and shoulder because still candle did not at close, right? That is also there. 46 minutes, both candle will close. Let's see how it reacts here. And Jan sir, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this I'll explain to everyone. I didn't take the trade. First, I missed this trade. So when I saw today the structure of the market is totally bullish. Yesterday the way the went, okay. This it's just impact of we had a news, right? CPI. Yesterday we had a PPI. This all it will be a fundamental. So what the fundamental usually my mentor tell me, if the market goes in this way, the same way it will come back. Yes. He told me this. But as I remember that. When I saw this first thing, today the market was started moving. I saw this is the reverse head and shoulder. Let's see how it goes. As soon as I saw this very shingle, I said, no, we should not go for any long. Just ignore. We'll wait for the good setup. It started coming down. Now in this area, just try to understand, guys. So what do you think? See, when the market's creating in this, right? So where is the order block? Clean. You can see it's very neat. Oh, the big green candle, and we got the breakout. Even this is also order block. We have the first order block at this place. Then I'll mark one zone at this place until I don't see any candle. I'll not enter. So now in this area, okay, if I take this full candle, sorry, candle not at touched here. If I go aggressively, if I take this trade, okay, here, my stop loss will be 120 pips, which I don't want to take because it doesn't match to my target. So I thought if I miss, it's okay. And I saw this actually. I saw this. I said, so when the market was coming down, I just ignored. It's okay, no problem. If it comes once again, we'll try this trade. Okay. I kept my alert here. I saw the alert. The candle close inside this. I thought like, it's okay. We'll wait. So after this, the bearish shingle here, I would have taken the trades. My target is only this much. That's it. I don't take this full because the wave the market has started from this area, right? So I'll just try to book my profit here itself. But this is just I should hold. If I'm in this trade, I'll hold my 20% for a swing trade. If it goes down, then fine. If not, I can take break even. But yeah, this was the logic here, sir. But if you think we got the change of character here, and I'll take the trade 600, which is correct. But I see the completely wave, sir. So the way market went, and you just see here, it came like seriously. This is huge, sir. And you got the breakout also at this place. So in this case, I'll just wait. I'll try to see the structure. The structure of the market is. I'll just show the complete. You can see the structure of the market is downtrend. Just because of the yesterday some news, market started moving up. That's it, sir. So see, now it's recovering all. Maybe end of the day, once again, the market can be here. It just went for the liquidity sweep, all who all took the trade done now. Even I got the break even. So that's the reason I was not looking a long position so quickly. I was waiting. If the candle goes above this, or maybe during UA session, I was finding the trade. But yeah, this was the setup. I missed it. Yes, sir. Sir, anyone took the trade? Or anyone, sir? No.
Hi, Pramod. I have some questions that I didn't take trades, but
Okay.
I have questions that I would like to ask if that's okay.
Yeah, ma'am, please. Yeah.
Okay. Shall I share my chart?
Yes, please, ma'am.
Okay. Where is it now? Okay. All right. Can you see that?
Yes. Yeah.
Yep. Okay. So I rewatched some of the parts that you taught me after we listened to the section that I did the other day, and we were talking about looking for the liquidity.
Yes.
So this answered my own question, but I just want to ask again, when is the liquidity swept enough to take the trade? So what I mean by that is over here, when I was looking at this morning, I didn't take the trade. So I noticed that it had swept this liquidity, but I also know there's liquidity here and here. So yes, now I see but when I asked the question, now I see it came and swept this liquidity, but it didn't go to the order block. So my question is, when is it kind of safe to take the actual trade? Or should we wait for the main liquidity to be swept before we actually enter a trade, because that will be safer? Yeah, just your thoughts on that, please.
Ma'am, in these three, what you mark the liquidity, this is the strong one, because the market was staying too many hours or too many much time here. It built lot of liquidity at this place. Okay, this will be
Yes,
invalid.
yes.
It will be invalid once it breaks any low. But here market was struggling all the time. Here it was coming down, and when it goes back, right, then we realize this time is going to take the liquidity.
I
So,
can't see any drawing.
oh, sorry. So this is a strong liquidity. Okay.
Okay, yes.
So what all you are seeing, this is the just internal. So what you have to do, you just try to take the trade wherever you will be finding the entries. This will be invalid only when it breaks low and if it start moving down. But here the market struggling to go and it just came back, right? So we realize that only when it comes back, ma'am. Okay, now this time is going to sweep this liquidity. Once it's done here, now the last, I think RQSDT, last week we missed the one trade. I gave that signal, just wait, we have the liquidity, your entry will be from the order block. But market didn't go near order block, just sweep the liquidity and started coming
Yeah.
down, exactly doing the same. So here,
Yes.
just if you check the volume, if there is any, I'll just check once. AI 16, right?
Yep.
2-bar reversal candle with the you got the ultra high volume candle here, sorry, at this place. Yes, so this is 2-bar reversal now. Just you have to enter. Yeah, 90% is good candle itself. So entry will be immediately here. Stop loss is about this. If candle goes here, take another entry from this place now, because uh, exactly the last time what we saw right on the R, it didn't go near the order block. Just it sweep the liquidity and start going down. So assume that if you take the trade here, directly your target will be the low, ma'am, because now this all mitigated, right? So maybe market can take the just rejection at this place here, but your target is the low here.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
That's what I thought. So I marked it all up. And even though it came into the golden zone, and it's took the liquidity from this candle, but it didn't sweep that one. So then I was like, no, I don't think this is a good place to take the trade. So I was waiting for this. But then it didn't come to the order block. Okay, thank you for that. And then I have another question. I do still mark like my external levels, just normal, just to keep me on track on what's going on. So I'd marked a break of structure here. And then, well, the way you taught us, I would have marked this as a break of structure as well. But now I'm wondering, is this a valid break of structure or is it just a liquidity sweep?
No, it is a break of structure, ma'am. Yes.
So it is.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. That is a break of structure. Because the
Okay.
if the only weekend, if the next candle goes above, then we can say, but here the market was staying below this for 10-15 minutes and we have 2-3 candles with the good volume. So this is the break of structure. So market went and
Okay.
and the liquidity sweep, it was correct, like what you said. This is a strong liquidity, ma'am.
Yes.
It just took
Okay,
that
yeah,
and immediately. Yeah, but the entry, I like always it won't come near this order block, but you should try to take the trade here first trade. If the stop loss hit, then we can plan our second trade here now.
Right. Okay. Fantastic. Thank you for that.
Uh,
And then there was another question I had on ARC. Right. How do I get to that now? Let me just work this out. Sorry. ARC. Okay. So this morning as well, I was looking at taking an entry on ARC.
okay.
So what I noticed, well, obviously we're going sideways now, and this is
Yeah.
what I planned, but I didn't take it.
Okay.
I saw this very long wick take this liquidity.
Correct.
But then when I looked at the stop loss, 2.5%, I was like, no, that's way too much. Why I waited for this liquidity is because I realized, for it to hit that one, because there's all this liquidity sitting here. And then I marked that one as the liquidity, and it was a breaker block before. I also marked the order block. But yeah, this was just the scary part for me, is like such a massive stop loss. So then I remembered what some of the people told me to go down to the 1 minute. So I did that. I went to the 1 minute. But look, I still didn't take the trade. But anyway, so my question is really, how do you join this kind of trade when you have such a massive wick there? So do you ignore it? Do you then go to the 1 minute? Because I marked that out as a possible entry on the 1 minute. Would that have been, well, clearly it did go that way eventually. I didn't take the trade, but I was just, if you could explain a bit about how to negotiate these very big wicks.
Yeah, when we see that big wicks, right, that trade setup will be good actually now. The stop loss is big. In this case, just go to the 5 minutes. So
Back to the 5 minutes. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, where's my thing gone? This one. Okay, I did
Yes.
take. Oh, that's.
So you
yeah,
have
my
already
train-
some resistance at this place now. So you can plan your stop loss above this here. Because
Okay.
if
Yes.
this is 2.5%, then yes, it will be huge. Even I don't take that much. If I want to enter here, see if the wick is big, then definitely I'll be interested to take the trade. That if the wick is big, right, that is strong reversal sign, ma'am. So in this
Yeah,
case,
that's what I thought.
yeah, you just measure this,
Hmm.
keep the 50%, check the 50%. You can keep stop loss above the 50% line, ma'am.
Okay.
That you can.
Because I remember you saying that the stop loss still stays the same, even if you go on the 1 minute and look at your entry from the 1 minute, your stop loss must still be calculated on the 5
5
minutes. Correct.
Correct, 100%
Yes.
correct. But if you see the big week, I prefer that will be strong reversal sign, ma'am.
Okay.
So if you
So-
you can reduce your trade size, or else you just measure this candle 50%. Above the 50%, you can keep your stop loss. Even the market can come till the 50% also, ma'am. Anything is possible. But yeah, that will
Yeah.
be more safe keeping above this.
Okay. Fantastic. Thank you. Those were my main questions. Thank you very much.
No problem. But it was correct, ma'am. Like what you said, this was a breaker block, and we have a lot of liquidity within one candle. Everyone break even it. Most of them stop loss. All the things happen here with the one
Yeah.
candle.
Yeah. Well, that's good. Yeah. So I wrote a little note there just to remind me, but it's still going sideways though. So is there still a chance to enter this trade?
Just you have just wait to break this level now. Then you can join.
Okay.
Just wait for breakout now. So when it breaks, so once again, we should find the order block. From the order block, we can join this.
Yep.
And
Okay.
the same,
I'm
like
challenging myself.
Yeah, this is
Yeah,
just
to
like
do
a
this.
boarding, ma'am. So it's in the internals also. Market is making lower lows. Just wait for this breakout, then you can join this. So, however, we have external the high and low is somewhere here now. But even in the internal also, market is going down. Let's wait for this breakout now. Then we can join this trade.
Okay,
Now
fantastic.
this is
Thank
also
you.
liquidity. No problem. This is also liquidity now.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Excellent. See if I can get the trade.
Pramod,
Yeah, sir.
if you finished there, it looks like Fartcoin's just done liquidity sweep and is approaching the order block. Can you please confirm?
And this check.
Thanks.
We're looking a long position, right? Or short?
Shall I
Long.
stop sharing noise?
Yeah.
Long position.
One. That shape. Sir, just wait this area, sir. So 1 second. Because of the 15 minutes also we got structure shift. So this is the liquidity. 1 second.
Yeah.
So just wait, sir. Just wait to
Okay.
here the candle. Let it go inside this. Okay. So this area. So when it comes for retracement, you can try the trade here, but not now. Wait. The candle
great. Thanks.
here on the 1 hour on 1 hour. Once again, it's coming for the retest, and yeah, we have the low volume. 48 minutes. Yes, sir. Just wait to candle close above this on the 5 minutes. See,
Okay, will do.
Yeah, sir. When the market will come in this way, right? It will be very risky, sir. So once again, they'll sweep this, then maybe they'll go during US session. Usually, what happens when it comes near any breaker block or order block, right, at this area? So it should be touch and go. It reverse from this neckline. This one here. So now, if this time, if this liquidity takes and close with the good candle, without retracement, without market can start moving up. Sir. So just wait. This is the liquidity. So let it go inside. When it goes this place, from here you can take the trade. So target will be directly this. So this is all the liquidity now when it starts moving. So what you have to do when it goes above this some area, just use the break even. Let it go, sir. Just wait for confirm it. You can see the screen, right, sir?
Yes.
Yes, mate.
Perfect.
Okay. So just wait to tap this, okay? Let it
Right.
come. Sorry, here, somewhere here, this place. So wait for retracement. When it moves here, use the break even. So these are liquidity. So book some profit at this place when it comes return. So once again, you can add the trade. Then that trade will be confirmed because even on the 4 hours also, market is just ranging, sir. That is also problem. The market is just ranging. Let's see how it does. And we have the order block and it's already mitigated once. Yeah, still it's valid. Still it's valid because until you don't see any high break, you can try this. Let's see how it works here. If this liquidity sweep
Okay.
and if you see any good candle, immediately you can enter with the 1 hour confirmation. So if you see any a bullish hammer or a bullish engulf, Dragon trade OG, yes, you can take the trade. Based on 1 hour, the liquidity will be here. And the second trade profit will be here, which target. If this candle close, then clearly we'll try the short position. So then you will get big trades. If this candle close below this, then directly this will hit this one. Yeah. I just checked on the
Okay.
daily also.
Wonderful.
Yes. The time frame retracement. If this is exactly what we do on the 5 minutes. If the candle close below this, then from tomorrow you should try the short position. Clearly, sir. So this is divergence, liquidity sweep. It went for to take the stop loss of that set. This is how we learn on the 5 minutes. If the candle close below this, head and shoulder. Yeah. Let's see, sir. If the candle close this, no buying, no long positions. Done.
There's a 5 minute candle below, or
This is the no daily time frame.
daily.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Rally base, rally base, rally base, rally. So this will be head and shoulder graph. It comes down. Yes. Just remind me this tomorrow also, sir. We'll see where the
Okay.
candle closed.
Okay. I don't know which play I want to happen. I don't know if I wanted to.
No,
go
don't take
up
the
or
long
down.
wait. But when I saw the daily now, you can see the pictures are here. It's clear. Here it was build the liquidity at this area, it sweep and it dropped. So again we got the breakout. So when it give the breakout above, right? The candle should not close below this on the higher time frame. Then the direction will change, sir. Just like gold, what I showed here on the 5 minutes. So it comes like this, then the direction will change.
Yeah.
Now, sir.
Thanks for that.
Pramod,
No problem. Yes, sir.
can I ask you a question
Yes, sir.
about ARC?
ARC.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
I am looking for a trade setup.
Mhm.
I switch to the daily. Yeah, then
Okay.
I have. Yeah, I don't know where I have to place my Fibonacci exactly.
Mhm.
Yeah, that part is for me the golden zone. If I let me look from which part I take it. That is from the top to the now
Here
from
or
the
this
second.
place?
From there. Yes.
Yes, sir. This you can take the fib level from here also because the way market went from this place, no need to take the fib level from here. This is correct. What you mark.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So it is in the golden zone at this moment.
Sir, 1 second. 1 second. So before the golden zone, we have the breakout area, sir. This is strong.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is very strong area, sir.
But for me, that is also the golden zone.
Yes.
It is also break a block and a golden zone.
No, immediately don't jump, sir. Just wait.
Yes,
On
I'm
the-
waiting. But
Yeah, because on the 1 hour we got the breakout, right? The wick can go anywhere. It can go till here also, sir. Because the daily candle closing is important. On the 1 hour trade setup will be different. So if on the 1 hour, market can come till here. Okay.
yes.
If the candle goes above this, the same day, what we will be seeing on the daily time frame? Just wick.
Yeah, wick.
And this is a possible because I'll just show you the example. Yesterday only we saw on the gold, sir.
Yeah,
So
the volume is
before,
also low.
yeah, this was the red candle completely. The same day it turns into the bullish hammer. So the same thing here also, sir. So daily time frame candle closing, still 15 hours is left. On the 15 hours, anything can happen market. Within one candle, it can drop till here, sir.
Yeah, crypto, you never
Yeah,
know.
yes, crypto. next after 5 hours, market will be here. That is possible in crypto. So now it is very risky to take the long positions. No, don't take the long positions.
Yeah, I had a long, but I closed it early enough.
Mhm.
But yeah, now I thought I shall go short or long. But yeah, I when I saw the golden zone, I got a bit confusing. But yeah, I wait for it.
Yeah, just wait, sir.
Okay, thank you, Pravat.
No problem. Sir B. Sir B. Mr. B is counting. Sir, where
Yes,
is the
sir.
internal, sir? Where is the internal in this? If I want to join the long positions, where is the internal structure will shift?
Need to go with this, I think. Need to go with that first.
Okay. Then entry.
Entry, you can come back here and try like that. See if it comes
Another
off this block.
another entry. If this fails,
Yeah. Yeah.
this is matching for another zone.
618.
We have one more zone.
No, sorry, it's not matching this
Yes, sir.
neckline.
Yes. Correct.
An amazing candle on the 1 hour there now, sir.
That is the 4 hour divided shoulder, sir. Dragon Energy. Yes. Let's see what the candle will close. Wow.
Interesting.
They just missed that breaker block.
Sir, and I missed this short position. So.
I think Bagesh needs to take punishment for that, Pramod.
Pakesh had the strong reason, sir. Yeah. He had the strong reason. He said, I'm with my mom, I'm driving, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Every time he calls me, but today he missed. I said, sir, I was like, because of you, I was taking late. I said, don't worry, Pakesh sir will call. No problem, sir. We'll find this dog. And sir, HM,
Yes, sir.
so when you was holding trade yesterday on the 1 minute,
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
so did you close this after seeing this big green candle?
No.
No, right?
Because
Huh.
no, of course not. Now I've learned because you see this one there, the neckline. So I was like, no, this is just a fake one.
Yeah, but
So I was very
how you will
confident.
very nice, sir. But how will come to know that yes, now this time he's going to hit my stop loss or break even? How will get confirmed?
When this breaks.
No, sir.
No.
You're going
Oh,
too
wait.
far. Why you're going to so far? Where is the
The
liquidity?
big screen.
Show, tell me a big screen. No, you are giving this.
This one?
No, sir. Where is
No.
the liquidity, sir? Tell me. Where is the liquidity in this?
There's a few areas like here.
Yes, sir. If the candle close above this with this green, that's done.
So it's already there.
Yes, sir.
So it cannot close on top of that.
Yes. Now, see, this is the, you can say breaker block. Where is the order block?
The order block for, well, this one.
Okay,
You
wait,
mean?
right. 1 second. Correct. So this is the order block, correct? Here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So did it touch the order block
Yes.
before this?
No.
So what will it will become now this?
Liquidity.
That's liquidity.
Correct. So this is the liquidity. Now, so this is the liquidity, sir.
Yes.
So when it start moving, people will get enter from this area. Immediately they'll take here, all the way they'll take, because they mark here breaker block and they'll take the trade. Yesterday I explained this, correct? So their stop loss is below here somewhere and the order block is here. They came, they took this liquidity.
Yeah, this one I really need to learn that it's already like this one if it closes on top of that. So you're exactly right. So it's just a liquidity sweep, immediate close on top of the liquidity.
Yes, sir. If they started moving up, so you have to mark the full area here. If the candle close, then yes. If you don't want to close the trade, use the break even. But yeah, once it happened, this. So again, we should not take any long sell. Even this is also possible, right? This.
Yeah.
Yeah. No reversal trade. If you are in this trade, you should be ready. You should be knowing that what can be the next, what can be the next. Yes. And I told you, right? Like they'll build the liquidity, sir. It will, the indicator will show this liquidity, but this will build in the real market.
True. So that the indicator won't show. But I've already learned about these necklines and the order blocks. But this liquidity thing, that this is the key area.
Yeah.
I really need to learn.
This was
Important.
the area, sir. They made it. They didn't come here. They made it there.
Yeah.
They took it away. Before the move.
Yeah.
This is the golden word. I used to tell every week twice. Before market going up, first they'll drop, then they'll move up, sir. So they came down, then they started moving up.
Yeah.
So here people will get trapped here. Because you think there is order block, but I think we got the breakout here. I'll just enter. I'll keep my stop loss here. Done.
Yeah, true.
Yes.
Yeah, this is important. This I need to really need to learn.
Yes.
Now there's actually a Morningstar retest coming in Doge in 3 minutes. I went away from 1 minute to 3 minutes.
I was supposed to tell that. Yesterday I was talking about 1 minute to the 3 minutes.
Yeah, 1 minute was too dangerous for me. I'll try with that 3 minutes.
What about the 5
Does it look
minutes?
good? There was some big volume as well.
Volume, we have to see the volume. On the 3 minutes, yes, the test correct, sir. But the target will be very small now for now.
It's on the neckline, but that's for break even.
Yeah, you just keep the break even. Oh, that is the same place where we was discussing beginning of the session.
Yes, sir.
Okay, already market reached there. Oh, then just wait, sir. You are in this trade already, right?
Yes.
I don't know. Whenever I see Sam, sir, I just remember this music. Sir, if I see when I post any gold chart, please use stop loss, take small trade, don't take big lot size. If the stop loss is too big, you should reduce your trade size. Okay, just because of I am giving that is it's going to work. There is no 100%. I'll take the stop loss, but I'll try to give only accurate trades. Okay, so yeah, please, all taking the gold trades, take this small trade, try to hold the positions. Okay, in the gold, it will be amazing. Don't take your break even so easily. So book some profit and rest, hold it. Okay, sir. Just everyone say okay or write it okay, sir. Because it's recording, right? I have the proof.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, okay. That's a
Can we have a look at whiff before you go?
whiff.
Yeah.
So you think this is a flag, right?
Mm-hmm.
The candles are very small, sir. Here we don't have. Mhm. No, sir. The market should break either any this low or this high, sir. For continue. If you are in some trade, just hold it. The clear direction we should get. Then only see, because the market is ranging here, even on the 1 hour, right? 1 second. Just look at the candle size and this. Mhm. It's like inside bar. It's not so clear, sir. Here, just look at this candle, sir. We should wait for the breakout on the 5 minutes. All the candles, just indecision candles.
Mm.
So if you are in the long from here, I'm sure that you will be in long from here, or else you will be short from here, 100%. Correct, right, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, sir. Just hold. If you are in long, hold. If you are in short, hold, because the market is nowhere. Just at the center. Just hold it, sir. Break even.
For more, can we take a look at Brent USDT for this one?
Okay.
I'm trying to see if I can catch a long from
Brent University, right?
yes.
So you're planning for the long or short, sir?
I'm planning for a long because I think the candles were dropping. Maybe it's retraced a little bit now, but if you go to the 1 hour, there's some other blocks here, and if you do a fib, it would coincide with that. So I'm thinking maybe that could be a good idea.
1, 2, 3.
We have here, sir. Yes, sir. What you just do, the place where you told, right? Like on the 1 hour. After coming there,
Mhm.
just wait to make this kind of setup, sir. Then you can cash the trade like this. There
Ah,
should
yeah,
market
please
structure
explain.
should, yes, the market structure should shift there. Because on the daily time frame, the market is near the breaker block now. Here.
Mhm.
And
Yeah.
let me check the volume. Yeah, we got good volume here. Yeah, we have the good volume. Just wait, sir. If the market comes there and just go to the 5 minutes, just wait for the structure shift, sir. Then you can catch this trade. Don't take immediately.
Okay.
Yeah, because after this breakout market even can come till here also, sir.
Mhm.
They push like especially in the sell side, right? They'll come very fast. The wick after coming at this place, the wantedly you will be seeing the wick till here. That is the
Right,
reason.
right,
Just
right.
wait to structure shift, sir. Then we can trade.
Perfect. Okay.
Yes,
Thank you.
no problem. Okay, sir. We'll meet US session.
Thank you, Mike.
Amazing.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. It's Sam.
Okay. Thank
Thank
you.
you, Pramod.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.
Thanks,
See you
Thank
later.
you, sir. Thank you. Take care, sir.
Thanks, Pramod. Cheers.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
sir.
Thank
Cheers,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank
Take
you.
care, sir.
Cheers.
Yeah, sir. Bye-bye. Yes.